As an IT technician, you may be in a situation where you are unable to communicate clearly with a customer during remote support, even through text chat or voice calls. AirDroid Remote Support allows IT technicians to enable tutorial gesture when screen sharing. They can swipe or tap on their device and the same action animates on the customer's screen. So how to enable tutorial gesture on AirDroid Remote Support? Step 1. Initiate a remote support session. On the supporter's device, enter the 9-digit connection code which conducts from the supportee's Android device. Supportee needs to click Accept to start the remote support session. Step 2. Enable screen sharing. Then, click Screen Sharing. It can be enabled from either the supporter's or the supportee's device. Ask the supportee to click Enable on the AirDroid Remote Support app to enable screen sharing. Step 3. Enable tutorial gesture. On the supporter's device, tap the first icon in the left toolbar. Then tap Tutorial Gesture. Now, you can swipe or tap the screen on the desktop client for on-screen tutorials and troubleshooting. During screen sharing, you can enjoy other features besides tutorial gesture, such as markup, take screenshot, start recording, rotate screen, switch to AR camera, zoom in or zoom out, default size. Okay. That's all for this video. For more information about AirDroid Remote Support, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.